Hello, good morning. I am Kamruddin. I am a motivational speaker, motivational author, and international table tennis player. I have written 8 motivational books, some fictions and some non-fictions. I have posted videos about motivation, shero shairi, English and Urdu language, and table tennis. Life should be simple. We should not complicate it by having so many things in our lives. We should purchase only those items which we really require. We should make it a principle to use more and have less. So if we have sufficient items only, then our life will be easy. So we should try to eliminate unnecessary items from our lives and make our lives simple. We should declutter our life in office, at residence, at every place, so that life becomes simple, and simple life is wonderful life. We should declutter place, declutter things, declutter choices, mind, office, and everything. So decluttering and making life simple is very important. Let us start at our house. Start with most used area. If you choose such an area, you will notice the progress and you will be motivated to continue decluttering of the place. You should keep in mind that whenever you purchase anything, you should create a wish list. If you have wish list, then you will not purchase any unnecessary item. You will decide in present moment what you have to purchase in future. So you should have wish list so that you don't purchase anything duplicate. You may be having so many duplicate items at your residence and making our place cluttered, and life is not simple, it becomes complicated. We should declutter wrappers, wrapping items, newspapers, and so many extra items which we don't use. You should find out which item you have not used for 5 years. You should try to discard those items. For discarding also, it's necessary that you should have a wish list so that you do not discard any item which you may require later on. So decide in advance what you want to get rid of. When you wear an item, you should hang it on hanger in the correct direction in the wardrobe. And if you feel that this item is to be discarded, you should hang it with hanger in the reverse direction. So it will be easy for you to find out which items you should keep and which items you should discard. Another thing is that you should declutter your mind also, because there are so many things which are cluttering our mind. We should make a to-do list. Discard those items which you do not want to do in your life, so your life will be simpler. Another thing is that if you have less items, you will have less to clean, less to organize, and less stress. Have more money, and you will have so much time and money for your greatest passions. So give 5 minutes daily to declutter your house daily. Fill a trash bag daily. One trash bag for giving away to others. If you give something to somebody, he will have joy of receiving and you will have joy of giving. At the same time, your life will be simpler. So decluttering is very important and you will have a wonderful life if you declutter things which you do not require. You should have 4-box method also, time to time. One is for trash, one giveaway, one keeping, and one reallocating in your house. So these are the things you should keep in your mind. Thank you for watching this and other videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell button and thumbs up so that you do not miss my subsequent videos. If you want to ask something, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond. Thank you very much.